Hello friends, in this video I will explain how to write Roman numerals corresponding to Hindu Arabic numerals by using rules. As you know, I stands for 1. How can I write 2? I can repeat I 2 times. As the rule 1, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. It means 1 plus 1 gives me 2. If I want to write 3, it means I have to repeat I 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives me 3. Suppose I want to write 4. So I can't write 4 times I, because according to rule 2, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. So for writing 4, I have to take the help of 5. As you know, 5 is the main symbol, and I told you how to remember these, how to learn these. This must you be learn. So 5 minus 1 gives me 4. So it means by rule of 4, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the symbol of greater value. So I is smaller than V. So I can be subtract from V. So 5 minus 1 gives me 4. It means I have to write I left to the V. And the symbol of 5 is V. Come to the 6. How can write 6? We have to take the help of 5. 5 plus 1 gives me 6. According to rule 3, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. It means I is smaller than V. So if I can write I right to the V, so value of this I will be added to V. So 5 plus 1 gives me 6. Similarly, we can write 7, 5 plus 2. So I can write I 2 times right to the V. 8, 5 plus 3. We can write symbol of 3 right to the V. So I gives 8. 9. We can't write like this I 4 times, because we can't repeat I 4 times. Again here I have to take the help of 10. So 10 minus 1 gives me 9. So symbol of 10 you know, that is X. This is the main symbol. Minus 1 means I have to write the 1 left to the X according to rule 4. So 1 is smaller than 10. So I can write I left to the X gives me 9. And you know the symbol of 10 is X. Now 10. As you know, the symbol X stands for 10. 20. If I can repeat X 2 times, the value of this X will be added. So 10 plus 10 gives 20. 30. I can repeat X 3 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10, that gives 30. 40. So I can't repeat X 4 times according to rule 2. So again here I have to take the help of 50. As you know, the symbol of 50 is L. So how can we get 40? 50 minus 10. So symbol of 50 is L. Minus 10 means I have to write the symbol of 10 left to the L according to rule 4. So XL gives 40. 50. L stands for 50. 60. How can I write 60? 50 plus 10. So symbol of 50 is L, plus 10 means I have to write the symbol of 10 right to the 50. It means L. So LX give me value of 60. 70. 50 plus 20. It means I have to write 20, symbol of 20 right to the 50 according to rule 3. So LXX give me 70. 80. LXXX. How can I write it? So you know 50 plus 30 gives me 80. Symbol of 50 is L, and 30 means 3 times X. So I have write 3 times X, plus means I have to write right to the L. So LXX gives me 80. 90. We can't write like this. LX 4 times according to rule 2. So again I have to take the help of 100. 100 minus 10 gives me 90. So symbol of 100 is C. Minus 10 means I have to write the symbol of 10 left to the C. So XC gives me 90. And you know C is the symbol of 100. So in this way, applying the rules of Roman numerals, you can get the values of different type of Hindu Arabic numerals.